This is a bonus track for you, hip stabilization. This is an Iyengar yoga practice with a yoga strap. I have a 10-foot strap here. 8-foot strap can also work. 6 will be too short. We're going to begin by placing the buckle at just inside the upper left hip bone for me. Actually, you want to choose which side of your pelvis needs more stabilization. So in my case, the right side is more stable, the left side's a little looser, so I go just inside the upper left hip bone for the buckle. Here's my pelvic bone, that's where it ends, and there's the buckle. I'm going to wrap it around on the pelvis. I don't want it to go up onto the waist, so I'll keep it on the pelvis and bring it around in front here, and then cross below. Okay, and then again around, don't want to lose that tab, and back up. So it's going to form an X in the front, and it's going to be 2 straps just above and below the buttocks at the back. I'll buckle it in, through the middle, down through the outside, no twists, because that would be really uncomfortable, pinching the flesh. Okay, and then because this is a 10-foot strap, I have a little extra. I'm going to just hook that tab in there so I don't trip over it. I'm going to run my fingers to just balance out the tension. This is so good for stabilizing the pelvis. Sciatica, SI instability, right-left balance differences. For some people, scoliosis would cause the pelvis to be out of balance, so this can help to stabilize things for you. And I'm tightening it just little bits till I find where the comfort zone is for me. And what happens with that external pressure from the strap, my pelvis feels much more stable, and then I can do poses wearing this. All right, so I'm going to just turn around so you can see. If I go into wide leg pose, you don't want it too tight. You don't want to cut off circulation, obviously. You want it tight enough that it's stabilizing for you. Okay, Parsvottanasana. All right. Enjoy.